Hello, guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle for today. In this additional, not in today's newspaper, today it's Christmas Day, yeah. December the 25th, 2023, there's no newspaper, no extra puzzles, no puzzles at all today. So Merry Christmas to all. Well, it's not a happy Christmas because I've heard on the news just an hour ago they have bombed the refugee camp in Gaza. 78 people are dead, yeah, on Christmas Day. How can they do this on Christmas Day? It's a peaceful day today. Well, in the weekend edition of Sunday 24th, 23rd December the 23rd, 24th, 2023, I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. Yep, one puzzle is left. And it's the jigsaw Sudoku. Let me position the camera first. Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. This one will be number 7684. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 21 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 21 printed digits. Of course, it's indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Yeah. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box. Always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes here? No. How about the triple boxes then? We have here a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 is already given, so the other 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, it can be a 5. We have already a 5 in the same area, so this box should be a 4 then. More triple boxes then. Let me check. No triple boxes. How about the quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, I can't see any quadra boxes. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape, upside down. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here then. Alright. But also, that box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here then. Okay. So this box has the same name as that box. Okay. The T shape. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? Yeah. Here another one. This box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box. So here in this dual box, 1 box is left. Should be the 1 then. Okay. Only 2 T shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same name as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only 1 in this puzzle. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. And we have only one shape of this kind, yes. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 there, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1, but we already have a 1 there. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well. These 2 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, well, we have a 2 now. So it can be 2 anymore. This box, the 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape from this 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from this 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 no. Oh no. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left in this area from us 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Then, let me think. 2 numbers left in this area from us 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area from us 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area from us 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area from us 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 4 and a 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Then this box can be 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. 2 numbers left in this area from us 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 and a 4. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means I cannot place the 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be 1. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for number 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. 2 and 5. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then it will be difficult now. Well, 2 and a 5, we already have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 and more, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Then these are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. And 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. Well. Come on. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5 then. And these 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. I think this box should be a 4, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Oh, we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Okay. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. For the 5, last 2 numbers. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve again, And I like this one, yes, I will do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, Boxing Day, the second Christmas day here. Also, no newspaper on that day. So, what I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Yeah, Friday edition, we have 3 puzzles left. Like today, like this additional, letter Sudoku, 2 stars, and Jigsaw Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Christmas day. We will see you, we will see you tomorrow on the Boxing Day. Yeah, the second Christmas day. Until then, bye bye for now.